Say hi to everybody, honey. You're on a horse.
Yeah, I am.
Steven's riding a horse.
So far, so good.
You can have more houses here.
See?
With a beautiful landscape.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is the property we're looking at.
Mine's eating. My horse wants to eat. That's all. He doesn't care about anything else.
This is the property that we're looking at. There's some parakeets. And we are seriously doing some mountain climbing here with these horses. These up ahead. Yeah, I'm fine. I just worry about the horse. He's way up ahead. But this is the property that we're looking at. He's got to rest. There's a river. This is my horse. I'm going up the mountain. And this is when you really don't want to fall off, because that's the drop right next to us. See, look at this. It's so muddy. It's crazy. It's poor.
These guys I feel sorry for, not the horses. So much. I feel bad for you. He says it levels out up here, we think.
I don't think it does. This poor guy's sweating. Look at you, honey, you're on a horse.
Yes. Nothing like the most extreme ride possible for the first one, too.
How much further?
Oh my God.
How much further?
¿Cuánto falta?
Is it all uphill?
100 meters.
100 meters. That's quite a bit still. I think we should go back.
Okay.
I think.
Yeah. We can go back.
Yeah.
We can go back.
Honestly, this is too. This.
So the horses are going down, and Trace and I were walking down. And the little ones got a ride. We got about halfway up, and it's a long ride, and it was getting very soft and muddy, and we weren't too sure about the horses' traction, so we called it quits. So we're walking down, and the Costa Rican guys that are with us are wonderful guys, and they're sweating and they're walking, we're riding, so it's not fair. And we know, we've been up the mountains, we know it's beautiful. So that was a little experience, a little bit of an adventure. My first time riding, it has to be on a 90-degree slope. So Tracy stayed behind, and it's a good thing she did, because it was a tough climb up here, but it's absolutely spectacular. You see the water running down here. Kind of goes through a chute. And down there. up in the mountains. The property's 20 acres. And we just hiked that trail over there. Whether you can see it or not, I don't know. It ain't easy. I'm old. These boys. This gentleman here's not even breathing hard and he has a mask on. The dog made the trip and the dog's tired. That is beautiful. Hell of a workout, I'll tell you. These people get used to this mountain stuff. Not us. I'm alright, I'm good. I'm good. So we made it to the waterfall, finally. I don't know how. I'm soaked. Cell phone's still working, so that's good. It is beautiful. I hope there's a quicker way to get down. This is what we climbed up to get here. Sorry if I'm shaky, but I'm tired. There's these pools. I'm not going up there because I am beat. I've had it. There's the boys. There's the waterfall. Now I gotta see if I can live getting back.